Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to advertise your Shopify store organically. So let's get started. First of all, you have to choose your store or a product to advertise. This is the first step, and another step is to engage your audience on social media. Nowadays, we have many options and platforms to introduce our new projects and stores, just like Instagram, TikTok, and etc. On Instagram, go and find new people, find people related with your niche, and poke them, message them and provide your store and product details to them, and offer them to join an affiliate program. Through that channel, the marketers also buy the products, and you can ask for a review of that product and mention the store name as well. Now, another step is to do email marketing. Email marketing is probably not the marketing medium, but also it is a highest converting one. It also lets you to import the customer's data, and it will help you to run email marketing campaigns. Now, another step is to partner up with an influencer. They Partnering up with influencer is very in these days. They play a vital role to advertise a business. Owners have a separate budget to dedicate the influencers, but you have to make sure to find right influencers for your business. There are two categories of influencers, the smaller and the bigger. Smallers are affordable and bigger are expensive, but on the other hand, smaller have less range of audience, whereas bigger influencers have vast range. Another step is to bring customers back on website, and after that, another step is to create referral marketing program. This will also lead to advertise your business largely when you offer referral programs, reward systems, etc. So that's how you will advertise your store organically. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.